And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to add Google Lens in iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add Google Lens in your iPhone, all you need to do is simply tap open your app store from your iPhone device, and once you tap open the app store, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply go in the search bar and type in Google. So once you have typed in Google, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on the cloud-like icon to download the app. And once it is starting to get downloaded, it will be completely installed in matter of seconds. So simply open your Google app, and once you open the Google app, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on the camera like icon, which is for Google Lens. So this is how you add Google Lens in your iPhone device. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.